Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. Many women want a hairstyle that looks beautiful, feels comfortable and does not require a lot of time every morning. The good news is that there are many stylish haircut ideas that are easy to manage and perfect for busy lifestyle. Let's explore some wonderful haircut ideas that can help you look great with minimal effort. First, let's talk about the classic bob haircut. The bob is one of the easiest hairstyle to maintain. It looks neat, elegant and works well with different hair types. Whether your hair is straight, wavy or slightly curly, a bob can be styled quickly and still look polished throughout the day. Another great option is the layered bob. Soft layers add movement and volume without requiring a lot of styling. This hairstyle can make your hair appear fuller and more youthful. A simple brush throughout is often all you need to keep it looking nice. The pixie cut is another popular choice for women over 50. This short hairstyle is easy to wash, dry and style. It offers a fresh and modern look while saving time every day. Many women love the freedom and comfort that come with a pixie haircut. If you like a little texture, a textured pixie cut can be a fantastic choice. The layers create volume and shape naturally, so you do not have to spend much time styling. A small amount of styling cream can help enhance the look. Next is a shoulder length cut with soft layers. This haircut provides versatile while remaining easy to maintain. The layers help the hair fall naturally into place, making it perfect for women who prefer a slightly longer style. The shag haircut is also becoming very popular. Modern shag hairstyles are full of texture and movement. They look stylish even with air dried, making them a great low maintenance option. This haircut works especially well for women who want a relaxed and youthful appearance. Another simple idea is the blunt cut bob. This haircut has straight, clean ends that create a polished look with very little effort. It works beautifully for fine hair and can make the hair appear thicker. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.